Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have admin rights, so begin now. Open business settings and navigate to accounts, then Instagram accounts. You're removing the connected Instagram profile, so export insights and add data first, and note any linked ad accounts or partner access. Once done, revoke any collaborator access so nothing auto-reconnects. Make sure the Instagram profile isn't required by active ad campaigns. If it is, pause or reassign those ads. This step prevents data loss and avoids campaign failures when you detach the account. With the correct Instagram account selected, click Remove in the Instagram Accounts pane. Read each prompt, because it lists affected pages, ad accounts, and partners. You remove the connection from Business Manager. One removal severs associated ad permissions and automated publishing. If you manage multiple pages, make sure the page Instagram link is handled separately, otherwise content posting may fail. After confirming removal, review the ad account settings to reassign or archive any assets that relied on that Instagram connection. Finish by refreshing business settings and confirming the Instagram account no longer appears under Accounts. If the profile still shows, inspect user roles and integrated apps. Sometimes a non-admin link or cached session prevents removal. Log out and back in, clear browser cache, or try another browser. These simple steps often resolve UI hangups. If the interface blocks removal, go to Business Info and remove access there, or temporarily demote and re-promote an admin before retrying. That usually clears stubborn links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.